Welcome to IIIT Dharwad. Here, we don't do anything ordinary. Indian Institute of Information Technology Dharwad is an institute of national importance set up in 2015 in public-private partnership mode between the Ministry of Education, Government of India, Government of Karnataka and industry partner Kionex under an Act of Parliament 23 of 2017. Located close to both Dharwad and Hubli, IIIT Dharwad is in a serene setting with the hills of Western Ghats in the background. Much of its 60 acres is left for greenery and a natural water body. It is also the catchment area of River Shalmala that flows down to join the sea near Gokarna. IIIT Dharwad, while including a number of smart technologies, has designed its entire campus to serve as a laboratory for Internet of Things IoT, smart streetlights, smart metering, and the ability to deploy smart sensors practically anywhere in the campus. The principle behind this design is best described as wherever there is power supply, there is data. The main building, referred to as the Pi Block, is designed to optimize student footfalls by locating boardroom, Senate Hall, offices of the chairperson, director, and registrar on the top floor. And placing the recruitment, research, collaboration, incubation, and knowledge sharing spaces on the lower floor. It also houses the multifunction hall called the M Block that can be converted into an auditorium or an indoor basketball court as needed. The Pi Block has a knowledge resource center on the first floor and incubation spaces on the second floor. The academic building, called the E Block, has eliminated departmental boundaries where faculty, technical staff, and laboratories across departments are interspersed by design to naturally promote and nurture information exchange and collaboration. IIIT Dharwad has created a new modular space which can be easily converted to an 80-seater classroom unlike the 60-seater, with multiple alternative seating arrangements, several different laboratory configurations and other team spaces, thereby optimizing energy efficiency and ventilation. Classrooms are indeed quite large and naturally well lit. There are two 120-seater and one 240-seater classrooms available for organizing workshops, conferences and hackathons with facilities for live streaming. The E Block has laboratories that are established with the latest computing equipment for hands-on learning. A well-stocked textbook library in the E Block provides a 24/7 self-service facility for students to borrow and return books at any time. Boys and girls hostels in IIIT Dharwad feature spacious and well-furnished rooms with Wi-Fi connectivity along with modern kitchen, dining and laundromat facilities for comfortable stay. Hostels also provide common rooms for student entertainment and activities. The boys' hostel, referred to as the B Block, is spread over 6 floors with 200 rooms. The Infosys Foundation Girls' Hostel, referred to as the G Block, built by Infosys Foundation as a gift for IIIT Dharwad, has about 100 rooms. The health and fitness block, called the H block, has spaces for a wellness center, pharmacy, gymnasium, yoga room, activity or club rooms, music room, canteen, e-bank, saloon, and a small shop for essential supplies. The H block can be used for small gatherings, music, and digital screening. The canteen has both indoor and outdoor seating. IIIT Dharwad recently launched 6/24 COI National Cadet Corps and National Service Scheme to nurture leadership qualities in students in all walks of life and prepare them as model citizens capable of serving the nation. IIIT Dharwad offers BTech programs in Computer Science and Engineering, Data Science and Artificial Intelligence, and Electronics and Communication Engineering, apart from a PhD program. Highly qualified faculty teach a wide range of subjects of current relevance to the IT industry. They also engage in cutting-edge research in several specialized areas. Under the chairperson of Srimati Sudhamurthy, the institute is governed by eminent members in its Senate and Board of Governors. Graduation is as much a celebration of the community as the individual, for we are all stronger when we are educated and use that education for the betterment of society. With pride and joy, IIIT Dharwad announces the third convocation of the institute. Please join us for the virtual proceedings.
Hello everyone, this is Tejaswini. I have graduated from IIIT Dharwad in 2020 with a BTech degree in Electronics and Communication. I am currently working as a data scientist in Noodle.ai. With the current pandemic spread across the country, I hope all of you are safe and doing good with your health. And finally, congratulations to all of you on your graduation. I wish you all the best as you will be stepping towards new challenges in your life. And I really hope that this degree will unlock even more doors to the success that you all deserve. Today is just the beginning. And always remember, never forget to stop growing, learning, exploring new things and challenging yourself. Congratulations and happy graduation.
Hello everyone, this is Bhargava from the second batch of IIIT Dharwad. I graduated from IIIT Dharwad with a BTech degree in ENC in the year 2020. Right now I am pursuing my MTech research in signal processing and machine learning at NITK Surathkal. 4 years of journey in IIIT Dharwad was something really memorable. All supporting staff as well as faculty members were really supportive. And last but not the least, I would like to congratulate and wish my juniors the best of luck for their future adventures. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all of you to the third convocation of the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Dharwad.
ಗಣರಾಜ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ಗಣರಾಜ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ಗಣರಾಜ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ಗಣರಾಜ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ಆದಿವಂದ್ಯ ಸುರನರ ಪೂಜಿತನೇ ಆದಿವಂದ್ಯ ಸುರನರ ಪೂಜಿತ ಗಣರಾಜ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ಗಣರಾಜ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ರಕ್ತವರ್ಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀ ಪೂಜಿಪೆ ಶಕ್ತನೀ ಭುವಿಯಲಿ ಆ ರಕ್ತವರ್ಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀ ಪೂಜಿಪೆ ಶಕ್ತನೀ ಭುವಿಯಲಿ ಭಕ್ತ ಪ್ರಿಯ ನಿನ್ನಾರಾಧಿಪೆನು ಭಕ್ತ ಪ್ರಿಯ ನಿನ್ನಾರಾಧಿಪೆ ಗಣರಾಜ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ಗಣರಾಜ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ಹರುಷದಿಂದ ಮನದಿ ಪೂಜಿಪೆ ಕರುಣಾಮಯನೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಆ ಹರುಷದಿಂದ ಮನದಿ ಪೂಜಿಪೆ ಕರುಣಾಮಯನೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನಿರತಯನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಿಸು ನೀನೇ ನಿರತಯನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಿಸು ನೀನೇ ಗಣರಾಜ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ಗಣರಾಜ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ಆತ್ಮಲಿಂಗ ಖಳನು ಒಯ್ಯಲು ಗತ್ತಿನಿಂದಲದನು ಆತ್ಮಲಿಂಗ ಖಳನು ಒಯ್ಯಲು ಗತ್ತಿನಿಂದಲದನು ಪಿತನ ಧ್ಯಾನಿಸಿ ಭುವಿಗಿಳಿಸಿದನು ಪಿತನ ಧ್ಯಾನಿಸಿ ಭುವಿಗಿಳಿಸಿದ ಗಣರಾಜ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ಗಣರಾಜ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ಗಣರಾಜ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ಗಣರಾಜ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ ಗಿರಿಜೆನಂದನ
Honorable Chairperson, Madam, I request you to declare the convocation open.
I declare the convocation open.
Respected Madam Chairperson, I am honored to present before you the Director's report in the third convocation of Indian Institute of Information Technology, Dharwad. It's a privilege to recognize the presence of our respected members of the Board of Governors, Senate and Finance Committee in this virtual convocation. As you know, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Dharwad was established in 2015 as a public-private partnership institute between the Ministry of Education, Government of India and Government of Karnataka with industry partner Kionix. The institute was recognized as an institute of national importance by an Act of Parliament in 2017. The vision of IIIT Dharwad is to be a globally renowned academy of information technology for societal development. On this special occasion, the third batch of BTech students is being presented for graduation today. IIIT Dharwad has BTech programs in Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, and the new program in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence, along with the PhD program. The institute has about 640 students and is expected to grow to 900 plus students when this year's admissions are completed, which, as you know, will be delayed due to the prevailing pandemic. Within 2 years, the institute aims to reach its full strength of 1,200 students. The institute now has 31 faculty members who are highly qualified with PhDs and postdocs from the best of the institutes in India and abroad, as well as industry experience. They are engaged in research projects in several key areas of IT and are actively pursuing collaborative research with other institutes of repute. I am glad to inform you that the institute has recently obtained several research grants to pursue advanced technology development in areas such as automatic speech recognition in Indian languages, humanoids for assistive care, and digital architectures for healthcare applications. The institute has also been conducting a number of sponsored workshops, faculty development programs, and summer schools on topics such as smart cities, Internet of Things, cloud computing, quantum computing, artificial intelligence, and data sciences. Faculty are also providing consulting and training services in these areas to both public and private sector industries. I am glad to tell you that the first 3 batches of graduates from IIIT Dharwad have performed very well. While most of them have secured good jobs in the IT industry, several of them are headed for higher education in India and abroad. I find the performance of the present batch of students to be commendable, and I congratulate them for their successes. This past year marked the most important milestone for the institute as it successfully completed the construction of its new campus in Dharwad and shifted its operations to the new academic and administrative facilities despite the series of lockdown and unlock situations arising from the global pandemic. It is indeed a privilege for IIIT Dharwad to have a modern, well-designed, well-equipped, spacious, and serene smart campus away from all the traffic, noise, and pollution. You may kindly recall that the foundation stone for the construction of the campus was laid by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 10th February 2019 in the august presence of Madam Chairperson, ministry officials, and local leaders. The construction of the campus, featuring an iconic main block, an elegant-looking academic block, a health and fitness block, a boys' hostel, and the Infosys Foundation Girls' Hostel, has been possible in these difficult circumstances only with the unrelenting support of the members of its expert committee on building and works, Professor H.P. Kincha, Professor B.R. Srinivas Murthy, Professor Nagesh Iyer, and Professor N. Anuradha. The campus features a range of smart capabilities, including smart street lighting and smart management of all utilities and resources to complement a developed water body and greenery. The official inauguration and dedication of the campus to the nation is awaited shortly. The growth of IIIT Dharwad and the success of its students have been possible only because of the immense and timely contributions of the Ministry of Education, Government of India, ITBT Department, Government of Karnataka, and industry partner Kionix and Infosys Foundation. Madam Chairperson, the eminent members of your Board of Governors, Shri S.V. Ranganath, Shri M.N. Vidyashankar, Professor S. Sadagopan, Professor P. Balaram, Professor H.P. Kincha, Professor Uday B. Desai, Professor Pankaj Chandra, Professor P. Sheshu, and officials of the central and state governments, Shri Rakesh Ranjan, Dr. E.V. Ramana Reddy, and Shri S.N. Siddaramappa, have been most helpful in advising, guiding, and supporting the development of IIIT Dharwad throughout in every possible way. The Senate of IIIT Dharwad, with eminent academicians such as Professor H.S. Jamadagni, Professor Chetan Parikh, Professor K.N. Balasubramanya Murthy, and Shri Sumit Verma, have been a constant source of ideas and encouragement for the Institute to try out new designs for its curriculum and programs. With the sudden switch to online mode, IIIT Dharwad demonstrated agility by innovating the entire teaching learning process. Bandwidth limitation of students necessitated innovations such as a new 6-day week calendar, shortened classes of 45 minutes, and transforming 2-hour laboratory sessions to short cycle assignments to shorten periods of connectivity. Assessment structures were also reinvented to ensure relevance and to minimize changes in student grade distribution patterns. IIIT Dharwad was one of the first few in the country to start a data science and artificial intelligence BTech program, thereby ensuring that ranks of incoming students were boosted to the levels of the computer science program. IIIT Dharwad has brought in several bold innovations in its curricula. Its first-year curriculum is not common to all programs. This archaic constraint has been the norm merely to permit a small number of students to change their branches at the end of the first year. Rather than compromising the design of 25% of the BTech curriculum for this purpose, IIIT Dharwad customized the first-year curriculum for each program. A novel course called Engineering 101 has been reinvented successfully and is delivered in the form of guest lectures by experts from a wide variety of leading industry verticals, complemented by a sequence of practical experiences. I take this opportunity to express our heartfelt thanks to all of the members of the Board of Governors, the Senate, Finance Committee, and Expert Committee on Building and Works, and to our Registrar, Professor C.B. Akki, and all the faculty and staff of the IIIT Dharwad family who have shown utmost dedication and cooperation in ensuring the rapid development of the Institute. In concluding this report, I once again congratulate the third batch of graduates and wish them the best of everything as they begin their professional careers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Honorable Chairperson, Madam, I present to you these graduates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bachelor of Technology, to which degree I pray that they be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the chairperson of the institute, I admit you all, including those in absentia, to the degree of Bachelor of Technology, and in token thereof, I present to you this degree.
The list of BTech students graduating in the year 2021. BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. Aditi Chaurasia, Akshay Jain, Ankit Jain, Ankit Dimri, Apurva Sharma, Ashish, Basava Kiran, Dheeraj Chaudhary, Yemami Sai Deepak Reddy, Kamini Chanchal, Kapil Jade, Karthik Kumar Ji, Lakshya Gupta, Maurya Sujit Sudhakar, Virinchi Nallala, Naresh G, Nitin Singh, Panduri Uma Venkata Mahesh, Priya Anubhuti Thiru, Rahul Kumar, Rajdeep Das, Rajendra Prajapat, Ravi Ranjan, Riya Gupta, Shashank NS, Saumyadeep Srivastava, Shrikant Reddy YA, Suhani Vinod Prajapati, GS Surya Prakash, Vivek Rai, Modam Nagapraveen, Pankaj Kumar Benhiwal, Shashank G, Shrey Shekhar.
BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, Akash Raj, Ayush Gupta, Battula Venkata Naga Sai Kiran, Davaluri Sai Ganesh Raghuteja, Dekonda Ashrit, K. Geetanjali, Kammara Veera Vamshi Krishna, Mayank Kumar Chaudhary, S. Morris, Mungara Sai Venkat, Raja Babu, S. Ramesh, Rudraksha Varun, Sai Parimal V. Sapuri, Sanket D. Avaralli, Saurabh Anand, Shivendra Pandey, S. Spandana, Supreet, Tarun Gupta, Tollabandi Sai Maunish Kumar, Vesapaga Chaitanya Shravanti, Vidushi Sunil Verma, Challa Hemant Reddy.
Honorable Chairperson, Madam, may the recipients of the Institute Gold Medals be presented. The following students have been awarded the medals during the third convocation 2021. Institute Gold Medal for Topper in BTech program in Computer Science and Engineering goes to Miss Aditi Chaurasia. Institute Gold Medal for Topper in BTech program in Electronics and Communication Engineering goes to Miss Vidushi Sunil Verma. Director's Gold Medal for Best Outgoing Student goes to Mr. Morris Susai. Gold Medal for Institute Topper goes to Miss Aditi Chaurasia. Srimati Nagmani and Shri Sheshadri Award for Best Outgoing Girl Student goes to Miss K. Geetanjali. Honorable Chairperson, Madam, may the candidates be presented for the oath.
All the candidates are informed to take the oath. I, as a graduate of Indian Institute of Information Technology, Dharwad,
I, as a graduate of Indian Institute of Information Technology, Dharwad,
with faith, grace, humility, and honor,
with faith, grace, humility, and honor,
pledge to use my knowledge and skills in information technology for social development,
pledge to use my knowledge and skills in information technology for social development,
and to always conduct myself with dignity,
and to always conduct myself with dignity,
to be professional and ethical,
to be professional and ethical,
to be concerned about society and environment,
to be concerned about society and environment,
and to uphold the values of integrity, service, positivity, commitment,
and to uphold the values of integrity, service, positivity, commitment,
and passion for technology instilled in me by Triple IT Dharwad.
and passion for technology instilled in me by IIIT Dharwad.
Hello, good morning, respected teachers, Kavi Mahesh, Mr. Aki, and my dear students. It's a great experience to attend the convocation of your degree. And as the chairman of IIIT Dharwad, I feel I'm very fortunate to be the chairman of such a august institute and addressing my dear students on their happiest moment in their life. When you get your degree, please remember there are many people behind your success. It is not you alone. There are your teachers, there are your parents, there are many people directly and indirectly have helped you to get this degree. Getting a degree is one thing, and entering into your real life is another thing. In a real world, degree is one part, but it is not all full. You require, apart from your degree, many talents, and that has sometimes have been taught in the university, sometimes it has not been taught in the university. So you should understand when you go to a new world, you require courage, good value system, hard-working habits, and passion to excel. Your degree shows that you have done good work in the last 4 years, worked very hard. So you have the capacity, and you should expand that capacity in your real life. IIIT Dharwad is one of the good institutes in information and technology. And now they have their own campus and group of great teachers. Due to pandemic, we are not able to meet you directly and celebrate this occasion personally. Hence, we are doing it. All of us are using Zoom or electronic media to convey my happiness and your happiness. Please remember, when you reach good heights in life, in your profession, in your career, you should never forget your alma mater. You came to IIIT Dharwad as sugarcane, and with your hard work and teachers' hard work and rigorous training of 4 years, the sugarcane was crushed and came out, and it became sugar in the factory. So the entire factory is your IIIT Dharwad, your alma mater. You have become now finished good from sugarcane, raw material to finished good. And you should remember that you owe a lot to your alma mater. So please keep that in mind. Work hard, keep a good work ethics. Like when we say Westerners means time punctual. When we say Japan, that means extremely sincere. India means very good in computing or in IT. Similarly, you should add another dimension in your life. India means excellent work ethics to their people, of their people. Carry the excellent work ethics throughout your life. It may be at home or even it may be in the office. Never run after money. The moment you run after money, money runs away from you. The moment you run after your passion and good work ethics, you will get a lot more opportunities and money runs behind you. Your aim should be excellence in your work, sincere in your attempt, and transparent in your transaction. I'm sure Many of you will build great institutions or may chair great institutions or excel in the field what you have chosen. And I feel that is the happiest moment for Triple IT Dharwad, because in Mahabharata, somebody asked Drona, what is the success of a teacher? Drona said a very simple way, Shishyad Ichet Parajaya. That means, let my students defeat me. That means, when a teacher does well, his students should do much better than his teacher. And the defeat of a teacher should come by the own student. That is the greatest reward for a teacher. All your teachers have put their hard work. In pandemic, you people have suffered, but they have also worked very hard so that they have covered your syllabus and you have done well in your examination. You are leaving to the big world now. I wish you all the best. And in your new journey, new weapons like knowledge, new accessories like boldness, ethics, courage should be with you. You will face the real life with much more success. And I wish you all the best. Shubhaste Panthano. Thank you very much for patient hearing. This is the third convocation, and the last one, the first convocation was in person. The last convocation was, not in person, and so is this. But doesn't matter. This too shall pass. Hopefully, next year, let it be in person. I wish for that. And even though we don't meet, we can always virtually say good words, and departing is always difficult. Cake is very sweet, but you cannot eat it all the time. You have to leave one or other day, stop one or other day. Similarly, you have to leave your alma mater one or other day. This is a time you are left with your feathers and good roots. So I wish you all the best and remember good things of your institute. Thank you very much once again. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Madam. Honorable Chairperson, Madam, may I request you to declare the convocation closed.
I declare the convocation closed.
Hello everyone, my name is Suhani Vinod Prajapati from CSE batch, and I feel very honored to be speaking in front of you all today. I am placed at Deloitte, and when I look back at my college life, I would say that my journey at IIIT Dharwad has been astounding. This institute has given me so much. I have achieved not only in academics but in extracurricular activities as well, which I feel has helped me a lot in growing. I feel like a new person and more confident than what I was when I joined this institute. I would like to thank all my professors, staff members, and my fellow graduates for helping me through this journey. At last, I would like to conclude that it has been an amazing experience to be a part of IIIT Dharwad. All the best to all my friends for their bright future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is K. Geetanjali graduating from Indian Institute of Information Technology, Dharwad in the year 2021 with bachelor's degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Pandemic years 2020 and 2021 snatched half of our college days. This pandemic did not allow us to have a typical convocation this year. No rushing towards the stage to grab our degrees, no throwing of our hats in the air, no autographs, no photographs. But still, we are graduating today. It was only possible because of the constant support and guidelines from our faculties, friends, and families. These 4 years nurtured us a lot, not only in studies but also in sports, cultural, and extracurricular activities. Strictness of professors did not feel strict later, it felt protective. Friends around us did not feel like friends later, they felt like a family. Transformation of a raw student in the year 2017 to a responsible citizen moving out to serve the nation with a great determination and dreams in the year 2021 was an amazing journey. All the credits for making this journey into beautiful transformation goes to our respected directors, sir, registers, sir, HODs, faculties, non-teaching faculties, and to the complete family of IIIT Dharwad. Last but not the least, my heartfelt gratitude to my family and my dear friends, and a big congratulations to my graduating fellows. Thank you so much for making it happen, and we hope this pandemic shall pass soon.
Hello everyone, this is Sai Parimal V. Sapuri, graduating from IIIT Dharwad with my bachelor's degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering. My journey at IIIT Dharwad has been nothing short of an amazing experience. From living in a hostel for the first time to meeting new people who came across from different parts of the country, and finally making some unforgettable memories all the way through. We have come a long way as an individual and as a batch. I can't help but think how lucky we are to have something that makes us saying goodbye so hard. Today is a day of thanking all those who have made us what we are. Firstly, I would like to thank my parents and all the parents of my batchmates for the sacrifices they have made and for helping us chase our dreams. I would like to thank Director Sir, Registrar Sir, HODs, professors and all the college administration for always knowing and doing what's best for us. My seniors and super seniors who have helped us get rid of homesickness and enlightened us with their talks with what's to come in the future. The sun shall rise as it always does, but only to find out that we'll not be having these college days anymore. The pandemic has separated us and kept us all apart. But oh my friend, we still have a long way to go. Let's catch up and relive those good old days. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and good luck. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivendra Pandey. I am 2021 graduating student from Electronics and Communication Engineering of IIIT Dharwad. Currently I am working as an analyst at Deloitte USI in Hyderabad, all thanks to training and placement cell of IIIT Dharwad. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chairperson Sudha Murthy Ma'am, our Director, to all the professors, my colleagues and everyone I came across during this memorable phase of my life at IIIT Dharwad. This institute has certainly helped me to grow as a person during my bachelor's. 4 years back, the city was new for me, but now it feels as if it is another home. Apart from academics, I was also engaged in some extracurricular activities at the institute, such as I was a part of Cultural Committee of IIIT Dharwad, where I gained a lot of practical experience working with teams and people interaction in general. All this gonna help me in future. All that I've learned here is gonna stay with me throughout my life. Well, due to the pandemic, we could not meet in person, but surely we will have a get together as soon as the situation is back to normal to cherish all the memories we have created together. At last, I would say the motto of our institute stands bold and clear, that is Gyanen Vikasa, which means knowledge leads to development. And I must say, everyone associated with the institute are doing their best to keep it high. Thank you.
Please stand up for the national anthem if you are able to.
जनगण अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाता जनगण मंगल